everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I thought I could escape this fantastic subscription box, but it still is coming to me. So if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before we get into the box, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. Welcome, my name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related. I love doing makeup subscription boxes because I get to try a whole bunch of new beauty products for a very reasonable price. Back in the day, I used to buy everything full price, but now I'm happy that they have subscription boxes because you really get more bang for your buck. So if you like subscription boxes, you like unboxing, you like makeup videos, then I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And yeah, if you want to show me some love, you could always give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and that's really about it. Alrighty, so make sure you watch my whole video because I am going to be announcing the winner for my HUDA Beauty giveaway that I had. I did 2 HUDA Beauty mystery bags that I unboxed on my channel, and actually, you know what, I'm not even going to tell you guys. If you didn't see it, then I'll link it down below. You can see why I'm giving away pretty much this whole large bag to one lucky subscriber. So I'm not going to tell you when I'm going to announce it, but somewhere in this video, I will be announcing the winner. You know what that means? You got to watch the video to see who wins. So stay tuned for that. And we're going to get into the box right now. Alrighty. So I am loving this box this month, guys. Look at this box. She's giving me jungle. She's giving me girly girl with the pink girly girl jungle vibes. Loving this box. Lookfantastic usually has like cool little different types of boxes. Their boxes is normally a box in a box. So this was not the box that it came in. It did come in a cardboard box that said Lookfantastic on it as well. And this was a box inside. I always say all the boxes that have a box in a box, like it's just not practical. Like just do one box like BoxyCharm or Ipsy. But I do get why they do a box in a box because they don't want to like damage such a pretty box. And a lot of people like to reuse these boxes, so it is very beautiful. This box retails, for me, it retails for $16 because I didn't even realize, but I paid for the whole year. So when I told you guys that I was no longer gonna have Lookfantastic boxes anymore, that was my 6-month cutoff, and then I'm like, why am I still getting boxes? Then I realized I signed up for the whole year. I gotta stop doing that. Like once I know I love a box, then I'm gonna start doing it for the whole year. But I just can't be doing the whole year right off the bat because, yeah. But it's $19 if you just do it month to month. And it's cheaper depending on like how many months you do it. In the box, you get 6 items in here, and it's normally like a $60 value, which is not bad because it's $16 for the box, which I think is a very reasonable box. And this box is a UK beauty box. So I used to do glossy boxes as well, and this is Lookfantastic. This is like another UK box. Sometimes I like doing UK boxes because you get to try different things that normally you probably wouldn't get in the United States. I do not live in the I do not live in the UK. I live in the United States. So just, you don't want to try different things. But let's see what's in this pretty little box over here. Alrighty, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. It says, be kind to the planet and it will be kind to you. So that's cute. And then when you open that up, you see like a little booklet here that tells you everything that is in the box. Okay. Then this is what it looks like. They got a little Lookfantastic stamp with tissue paper. And let me give you a little sneak peek. And this is why I'm looking at the box, and this is why I wanted to unsubscribe to this, but I was not very smart and I locked myself in for a whole year. So I have a couple more months to go, but as you can see from the sneak peek, there ain't no makeup in this box, not even one thing. And that has been a repeated thing with Lookfantastic. I love Lookfantastic as far as like trying, like if you want to try skincare and like body products, but I like trying makeup. Alrighty, so the first thing I got is from Rituals. It's the Ritual of Jing. It says relax mild body scrub. Rituals is a nice brand. They have like a lot of like body products, candles, and all that fun stuff. So I do own some stuff from Rituals. So I'm actually happy to get this. I really am actually happy to get this. Did they put prices in here? Because sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Oh, see, this is the things that you got in your box, which I'm not really, I just took a little quick look in the monitor, but I hate doing that because then it tells you, it ruins your whole like sneak peek, you're not surprised. So they do show you what you got, but there's no prices in here. It just shows you the things, but there are no prices, unfortunately. So we don't even need this book because I could read about what the stuff is. Anybody could read what the stuff is. We wouldn't know the prices, but it's all right. So I'm excited to try this. It says escape the hectic pace of everyday life with deep relaxation and restful sleep. It's a mild body scrub. Very nice. Alrighty, I think I want to say like every single Lookfantastic box or glossy box, I got one of these. I don't know why they keep giving these in every box, but I never even really use these, but maybe I should start. So maybe I will try it. This is not too shabby. It's a gentle facial buffer. It looks like so. It says completely recyclable packaging, cruelty-free and vegan-free, gentle facial buffer. All right, so the next thing I got is Dr. Lip Tint 100% moisturized color red radish pigment. So what is this for? It says simplify your life with multi-use skincare. So it says it's skincare, but does it have a, maybe it says a tint? Let me see. Oh, it does have a red tint to it. Does it smell like anything? No, it doesn't smell like anything. I'm guessing this is like maybe for your cheeks. But how is it skincare? Let's investigate. Let's see here what this is. How to use onto lips throughout the day as often as needed. Oh, so this is for your lip. It's a tinted lip balm which glides over lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of color. 100% natural. Oh, okay. It said it was skincare on here. I'm not making it up. It says multi-use skincare. Oh, it says you could use this on your cheeks and your eyelids. Okay, made sense. All right, so we got one beauty item in here. It looks kind of like translucent. I just blended it out. It's like a translucent, like reddish lip tint. No scent to it. Alrighty, the next thing I got is a pre-probiotic cleansing milk by Balance Me. I'm gonna give this away when you guys see my skincare stuff in my next video. You guys will understand why I don't want any more skincare. Espa 24. We got an Espa 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. And then we got a Philip Klein Styling Polishing Serum. So I actually would use this. I would use this. I would use this item. That's all I got in my box. That's all she wrote. So we got a body scrub. We got a lip balm. We got a hair serum. Is this for the hair? I think so. Polishing serum. Philip Klein Style. Let me check to make sure. Is that a hair product or? Yes, to style your hair. I got a hair product. I got a face buffer. I got a eye cream and I got a cleanser. Like I said, this is why I tried to get out of the Lookfantastic subscription. I thought I canceled my renewal, but it was a renewal for the year. So I still have a couple more boxes to go, but once that's done, I will not be renewing it. Not to say that I do not like, you know, the products. It's just, for me right now, I don't want to be wasteful, and I know I have so much good stuff, like good name brand skincare, non-name brand skincare, indie skincare. You guys will see that in my next video, and I don't want to be wasteful. I want to use everything, but I only have one face. And they say that you're supposed to try stuff for at least a month to see if it's working. You can't just be, one day I'm going to use this cleanser, then I'm going to use this moisturizer, then I'm going to use that moisturizer, then I'm going to use this serum. You're not supposed to be mixing and matching the product, you know? So, and plus my skin is very sensitive, so I'm not about to be, you know, causing my skin to break out either. So that's why, like, any box that's like heavy with skincare is getting okay. Alrighty, so with that being said, let's announce our winner for our my giveaway, my Huda Beauty giveaway. There's 6 full-size items in here. If you watch my video, you would know all the goodies that's in here already. I use a random comment picker to pick, because it was like 76 comments or something like that. So when I first started my channel, I would like write the people's name out, put it in a cup and pick it, but now it's getting too much people for me to do that. I'm not gonna write like 76 people's names on a piece of paper and pick it. So the winner was Breezy Vibe. Breezy Vibe. I don't know if you guys could see with my reflection. Breezy Vibe. There we go. Breezy Vibe. Breezy Vibe, when you see this video, please message me on Instagram and let me know that you saw the video, and I will give you your address and I will ship out your package to you. Congratulations! Yay! Speaking of congratulations, I just want to take the time to thank everyone. I finally reached 1,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. So with that being said, I'm gonna do another giveaway. I'm not gonna announce that giveaway in this video. Probably I'm gonna soon, because I have a lot of skincare, a lot of makeup, just sitting here in crates that I have to just purge and get rid of. None of it's used, none of it was touched. It's just some makeup items was not for me. Like, I got a lot of makeup in my subscription boxes, and if I have a lot of a certain thing, I just give it away. So stay tuned for my next giveaway. It's gonna be amazing. So don't feel bad if you didn't win this giveaway, because I have another one coming up where you get a chance to win. This one will be a variety of things. So you'll have a decent amount of skincare and a decent amount of makeup. So I'm gonna be doing that giveaway very soon. So keep watching your girls' videos and stay tuned for that giveaway. Congratulations to the winner, and that's really about it. And thank you guys so much for the 1,000 subscribers. Like, honestly and truly, like, I really can't believe that, like I don't even know, like, I never thought that, like, I could even reach 100 subscribers, let alone 1,000. So I just wanted to take the time out to thank you guys, because I really appreciate the love and support from you guys. You guys are great. I have the best subscribers, and that's why I love giving back to you guys. because the love is real. The love is real. I have great subscribers. So stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.